Oh, that bitch wasn't there.
What?
Oh shit.
The fuck? Yeah, that's a no-no. And dude, when did it start raining down like this?
Okay.
It is your boy D-Dog from the 3AMBOYS and Joe. Yes, newest member and personal friend of mine. I know it's been a while since my last upload from my birthday and shit, but he is gonna be with me. He's gonna be my partner in crime, so I'm not gonna be having solo videos or be doing videos with my other fans that I'm close with. So it's gonna be a little bit different. Other than that, more videos are to come. We did a vlog. Yes, we did a vlog. We did. Yeah.
Nice.
That's gonna be coming pretty soon. Yeah. Yeah. So it's gonna be uploaded the day before Halloween. Maybe on Halloween. Who knows? But you guys get the first look of our first vlog for 3AMBOYS channel with me and Joe. And you're gonna love it. It's gonna be such a fright. Anyway, we're playing a game called Phantom Ghost. There it is. If you guys want to look it up, right there, it's right here. And pretty much it's like you're finding anomalies that are not supposed to be where they're supposed to be, blah blah blah. It's a different anomaly game. That's what it is. It looks kind of cool. I guess we just walk out of here. No, we don't.
Damn.
Okay.
No, there's a button over here, probably.
Oh, there's a button. So, okay. Let me read this. Oh, so we have to observe everything on this boat. Great. Other than that, guys, yeah, I'm being Ghostface and my boy here and Freddy Krueger. Please like and subscribe. Turn on notification bell. Give it a thumbs up. So, here we go. Dude, what the fuck is that? Freddy! What the fuck is that? What is that?
That's the Kraken.
Kraken. Fucker got some long tentacles. Wonder what that'd do. I guess we're good.
Driving the butte.
Freddy, you don't have the license. Why the fuck are we doing in the fucking waters? Why are we not on the island killing everybody?
God damn.
I don't know. What the fuck is that thing on the island?
That's a fucking lighthouse. Fred, it's a
There's
lighthouse.
something below it.
Below it? It's maybe the lighting. I don't fucking know. All I know is, where the fuck did you go? Keep losing them. Oh, I can't even climb the fucking ladder. Alright, come here. Alright, so I don't see any other anomalies. I think that's supposed to be there, so we just say no, stay on the boat. Vote. Did you hit it?
So it wants me...
No, that's not supposed to be there. That wasn't supposed to be there. Do you see any anomalies? Alright, look around. Wait, is the tentacle supposed to be there?
No.
Alright. Come back. So oh, you're observing everything, that's true. Alright, go back. We're staying on the boat. Alright, look around. He's sitting down. Isn't that just it's just a lifeguard, it's a coast guard. Oh, that bitch wasn't there.
What?
Oh shit.
The fuck? Yeah, that's a no-no. And dude, when did it start raining down like this? It wasn't raining like this. Or maybe I didn't know that. Nah, yes, get a life bolt. Ghost Captain.
Man, no fucking shit.
Oh, what is that? Look.
Yummy.
That's gonna shit your brain. Okay, alright, we're fucking up. Yes, get in life bolt. Yeah. Okay. Oh, alright, something was not right. Hit stinky. Oh, okay, yeah, that's right. Do you see it now? Alright, we got it. We're on a second streak. We're doing good. Hang on. Dude, we gotta observe every. Hang on, let me sit down. Where the fuck did Joe go? Joe!
What?
Dude, bro, we're not even being smart right now. Like, dude, we need to observe everything that's in this kitchen. Like, was that shit even there? Was this the same color cup? Or this blue thing?
Yeah.
Alright, so then we're good. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah, no, stay on the boat. Oh, we're good! We did it! Yeah! Okay, look around. Bro, what the fuck what the fuck's in here? Is there something in here? Why don't we go fishing? Well, you know what? Maybe we should do a fishing video in the future. I think we're good. Alright. Stay on the boat. Stay on the boat. Yeah! Look at that! See that? You see that? Look at that, chat. We're killing it. Alright. Bro, how long do you think we can keep this up for? Our goal is to hit 10. Are we good? I can't. Oh, shit. I had you lowered!
What?
Yeah, the volume, your volume was fucking down. I don't know why. Yeah, you're good. Alright. Were you talking to me this whole time?
Yeah. Yeah, I was.
Damn! Oh, shit. That's my fault. Son of a bitch! Alright. So, chat. So this game, you know, we're trying to do more in the future. Also, check out my homie's channel. Joe's got a... It's all good. Alright, good. Let's go. Okay, this is way too easy now.
You ain't gonna plug my channel, man? I don't know what the fucking channel is.
I got you. Alright, I look up your name.
Nice.
Alright, anyway. Well, everybody, 3AM fans, check out my homie's channel. I'll leave it in the description below. Go like, subscribe to him if you can. That'll mean a lot. I'll keep putting his channel in the description all the time because he'll be with me in my videos. We're combining our channels and shit. So I'm being a member for his channel. He's being a member of mine. And yeah, just we're being there for each other because that's what friends are for. And yes, I did not met my boy Joe. Again, like I said, he's a personal close friend of mine. Bro, we're here to bring entertainment and fun. Okay, so for those who do not know, me and Joe have literally been looking around this whole fucking boat, making sure if there's any anomalies, but there hasn't been. This doesn't make any sense. Alright, let's go turn that off.
Yeah, no anonymity.
What the fuck?
Stay on the boat.
What the fuck? The game must be broke. Chat.
Nah. Just trying to throw us off.
I just smelling shit on that. Bro, very chilly vibey game. I will say that. Alright, nothing. Hit green. Okay. Alright, fans. Literally 2 more. And then I guess that's it. Don't worry. Me and Joe will be doing more videos of us. This will be like our Avi, you know. We'll even wear this on the first day of November. We'll do that, or the first week. All right. What the fuck? But yeah, nah. Don't worry, everybody. Everything's been good. I know we've been stalling a lot, but everything will be all right. Let's see, check.
Hey, yo, what the fuck?
What?
What?
Oh! What fucking pirate? There was a pirate.
Fucking free.
Bro, was there
Sorry
a
to break
pirate?
it to you again, but there's no fucking pirate.
I don't see a. All right. Fred, there was no fucking pirate. This is bullshit. Joe, let's hit the green twice. I'm gonna be ballsy. Come on. Me and Joe, we're gonna hit it twice. Hit the green twice. I'm hitting it twice.
Hit the. What the fuck are you talking?
Fucking game schizophrenic. Yo. Alright, bro, observe everything, even the island. Ugh. You know what's funny, chat? We could be playing a video right now. Alright, come on. Alright, hit the green. Blue or green?
Green.
Chat, sorry, hopefully this video is not. Oh, hell no! Look, dude, the color's different.
Yeah.
Call that shit out. Imagine seeing a White House with that kind of color. Would that be creepy as fuck?
Blue.
Blue. Blue. It's blue,
Trying
John.
to press it. Yeah.
Just hit it.
It won't fucking work.
Go up to it then.
I'm fucking pressing it.
Don't. Oh, God. This game break. This game broke. This game broke. Can't even fucking jump out. Oh my God. Alright, guys. Sorry. This will be a blooper, funny, stupid video. I hope you guys enjoy. Please like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell. There it goes. There it goes. And, again, meet Joe. Yeah, fuck this game. The game broke on him. It's fucking bullshit. It's bullshit.